My husband and I love to travel, and we were just sent the coolest travel accessory to review, and it is to actually help us with our packing, which is something we are terrible at. So check this out. So obviously, when you are not using it, it folds in all super nice together, compact, easy to just kind of slide away. But when you're ready to pack, so it pops open like this. It has these hooks. So like when you're at your hotel or wherever you may be staying, you actually can pull this out of your suitcase and just hang it up in the closet. That way you don't have to worry about living out of a suitcase. You actually will have this hanging up and you'll have a clear view of everything that you have in there. So you have this top space up here where you can put all of your clothes, or whatever you want to put in here. They have a bottom part, it looks like this one is probably where I'd put my shoes, maybe my clothes, some accessories. And then once you have it all packed, obviously it's not going to squish completely down like this, but you would close it as much as you possibly could. And then you have two of these belt buckles on each side that would clip here, so that you would compress this as much as you could. So maybe in your suitcase, it would be like this. You would just pop it into your suitcase. And then when you get wherever you're going, you would unclip it and then just hang it up. How cool is that? It's actually one of those things that are really going to help you from overpacking, which is something that I am terrible at and I do every time. And yeah, it'll keep you nice and organized, and I cannot wait to try it.